Hello, I'm Alethea. My dog's name is Chandler. My van's name is Nugget. Welcome to Going Vanward. As you can see, I'm not in my van. I am currently at my mother's. So, I don't have Chandler or the van with me right now, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Rusted in, so we're gonna take. We have to take these off anyway because they're all rusted. They're not like a lot rusted, but just a little. So we're gonna take those off so we can get underneath of the van.
Yeah, so I'm going underneath it.
So that we can actually get the little plates off.
Okay, so we're going to try to get the L off down there. Run out of room.
After we get the L, then we're gonna get the M and the N, the O and the P.
Stay tuned.
I didn't get to really record much of day one. I mean, it was just a little bit.
And there was not enough space.
Yeah, I don't have enough space on my phone, so I'm just taking small videos of
And
everything.
she is also deleting stuff.
Yes, we're going to work on the black
Carpet and stuff.
plates.
Black plate.
We're gonna try to do it. Esme's gonna crawl under.
We're
And
trying to get the carpet.
We're gonna do
have
that.
to get those.
yes, tonight's trash night, so everything needs to go out. So we're gonna try to get as much stuff out as we can. So I'm gonna be up here trying to unscrew while Esme's gonna climb underneath
Yeah.
to try
Look at all
to
that stuff under there.
unscrew from under there somewhere.
Thing off because we didn't want Esme to scratch her face.
Well, we had to take it off anyway. We figured out that the metal plates, Esme figured out that we can't get to them from under the van because all of the stuff that has to be underneath the van is covering it.
There's also a plate. There's also a plate covering
So
it.
that's what I meant.
Ow.
So we moved on to other stuff. We started taking down the curtains, and we only took down a couple, and now we're working on. We worked on the seat belts, taking those out, so we took some of those out, the brackets that were holding them in and stuff, and so now I'm ripping up the carpet. Here, I had to cut it to be able to rip it up to see what the heck's going on because I couldn't lift it from back there because of the board, so we're ripping it now instead. It's dark. My camera doesn't like the dark. That's the end of day 2. I'll show you what we did tomorrow because you can't see anything. It's too dark. Okay. Goodbye. It's day 3. So I said I'd show you what we did yesterday. So obviously pulled the carpet out. And I was able to get this seat belt out right here. And did that bottom seat belt. We really just did a bunch of random things. It's kind of like I pulled that off of there and there. I just did this one. And it's just a bunch of random things. Kind of hard to just stick to one thing because I need help and my dad's doing stuff, so I can't take the walls out because of that thing. I had to take the top out, but I'm gonna try to sell the whole entire top or parts of it, I don't know. But I need my dad to help me pull it out because of all the wires, and I'm just scared to do it myself. But I'll probably need help anyway. So right now he's doing something for another YouTuber. So I'm taking out the sides of the doors, especially this thing, because it's gross. There's like random things inside. So we're taking off the door, not like the whole door, but like taking off the stuff on the doors. So I got most of it out except for that, because this is in the way and I don't know how to remove it because these, I don't know what the heck these are. So I'm waiting for Dad, but this one's off. Completely off. Look at this little stink bug. He was in the freaking, the plastic panel that goes there. I don't know how I got it in, but whatever. So yeah, there's some insulation in there. I also did the back doors. So this one's good, except I gotta finish taking the top thing off. But this one, again, has that on it. So we're getting there though. So I'm gonna take that off. Fun, fun, fun. We are taking the top off now, finally, and the sides. Woo! It's almost out. We're saving the lock and unlock switch up there.
Oh, look. Sam.
Sam.
Sam the ball. Now you have, like Wilson with
Yeah.
Now you have Sam. Sam.
Little buddy.
Hey, you got chalk back here.
Chalk?
Maybe you'll find $1 million.
That'd be great. Finish building this thing, no problem, man.
Yeah. There's some chalk. 2020.
So we pulled out this side. We had to cut it up there because it goes into the cab part. But we figured out that that is not a heater, it's an air conditioner. And it actually works. I hope you liked today's video. Please give it a like. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. I'll see you next time.